A woman has been cured of HIV after a stem cell transplant. The middle-aged woman, known as the New York patient, has been clear of detectable HIV since 2017 after she received HIV-resistant stem cells that had been harvested from umbilical cord blood to treat her leukemia. Stem cells are produced by bone marrow and can turn into different types of blood cells. Only a handful of cases have been cured of HIV. These include 2 men in Germany, 1 in London, and 1 case of long-term remission in a man treated in Los Angeles. All had received stem cells from adult donors who carried 2 copies of a naturally occurring mutation of the CCR5 gene. This gene mutation prevents the virus from entering and infecting healthy cells. With any stem cell transplant, recipients can only receive donations from people with matching tissue types to reduce the risk that their immune system will attack the transplanted tissue. Since tissue types are inherited, a person's ethnicity can influence their ability to find a match. To overcome the lack of suitable adult donors, doctors carried out a study where they infused umbilical cord blood into the New York patient. Stem cells from umbilical cord blood are both more readily available and do not need to be matched as closely as adult cells do. This helps people of all racial backgrounds to be cured of HIV. While the treatment is a game changer for people who already need a transplant, researchers stressed that stem cell transplants are not a realistic cure for HIV on their own. The procedure is risky, highly invasive in nature, and may have brutal side effects.